Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. It's Steve. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and welcome to you guys as well. Today I'm going to teach you all how to make a travel cup of coffee. What I mean is, when you go traveling, you can't bring your Nespresso or your Keurig or your coffee maker. So you need to bring a couple of things so you can make good coffee on your vacation if you want to, instead of buying a cup a day at Starbucks or something. This doesn't replace that. It's just an option. And you'll need a couple of things. So here's what you're going to need. First, you will need a French press. Not that one. Probably a 12 ounce. We'll use this one. Then you'll need a portable coffee grinder like this here. You will need some beans, and you'll need a heating element. Those are the main things that you'll need. You take them with you, you'll ground your beans when you're there, you'll use the heating element to heat up your water, and then you'll press it. So I'll show you how to do that now, and we'll come back and see how it tastes. All right, let's go. All right, the first thing you're going to need to do is ground your beans. So my French press says 1 scoop of, coffee per 6 ounces. And I have a 12 ounce French press, so I'll use 2 scoops. And we'll get to that now. I'll try to show you how long it takes, speed it up a little bit, but grinding and ground your beans first. It's up to you if you want them fine or coarse. There's a certain way you should have it for a French press, but I mean, if you like how it tastes either way, it's totally up to you. So that's part 2. So like I said, 2 scoops for each 6 ounce cup. Here's 1. Here's number 2. Now that your beans are in your grounder, you can proceed to manually ground. Okay, the third thing you need to do, or second, I don't even remember where I am, is heat up your water. So what you want to do is take your heating element right here, you'll plug it in to the outlet, and you'll hook it on to your French press, and you'll hook it onto the side, and it takes about 10 to 12 minutes for boiling water. And you could do this while you're grounding your beans or after. It's totally up to you. But we will heat the water and ground the beans right now. What we want to do now is heat the water. So first you want to connect your heating element. Connect it before you plug it in. So just like that. Then put your water in. You don't want to put too much, but just enough. And then plug it in and wait about 10 minutes. All right, now that your water's boiled and your beans are ground, what you want to do is transfer your ground beans to the boiling water and then mix. All right, now that the water is at a boil, you want to take the heating element out and put your grounds in. So we'll do that now. The first thing I want to do is unplug the element. And then carefully remove it. Now, I'll take the coffee that I ground up earlier. I could drop it in, but it looks like I might need to just get rid of some of the water first. So let's do that. Don't want to overflow. Okay. Drop in the grounds. And then give it a good stir. And then you want to let this steep for about 4 minutes. So we'll let that sit for 4 minutes and we'll come back. After your hot water is boiled, you put your grounds in, you mix it around, you steep it for 4 minutes. The last thing you want to do is press down on your French press very slowly till you get to the bottom. And once you're at the bottom, you're ready to pour. And that is what we'll do, the final step. Now that the 4 minutes is up, all you need to do is press, pour, and enjoy. So we'll do that now. We slowly press. Press it all the way down. Make sure the nozzle is open. And let's see. And the last thing to do is taste it. And like I said, the last step was to sip and enjoy. So let's see. Looks dark enough. I like my coffee stronger, so I think I ground it perfectly. It's hot but not steaming. I think maybe I could have let it boil a little bit more, but coffee is not supposed to be boiling, I don't think, but it's hot. So just like the grounds, boil the water a little bit longer if you want it to be really hot. I think I boiled it for about 12 minutes. And I think it's pretty good. It's not cold, obviously. But I think it definitely could be a little bit warmer. But that's how you do it. If you do a lot of traveling and you want to make your own coffee, but you don't want to bring your coffee maker and all your big gear, then you could just get this little French press, the coffee grounder that makes about 2 cups of coffee if you fill it up to the top. And then you just need your heating element. And once you have all those 3 things, you bring your beans. You can do it all in the comfort of your hotel room. So let me know what you thought. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If there was something that I mentioned that I did wrong, if you're a coffee connoisseur out there, let me know, because I purchased this specifically so I can make my own coffee when I travel and I want good coffee. So cheers, until next time. Later guys, peace.